morning. So guys, today is a very nice weather and it's our cleaning day, and also here in the boat we have a lot of work, and this catamaran is the same as floating house. So this is our cockpit area, and I put out these things one time in a month. It depends on the weather. So in this area I have here a small pot of my herbs garden. I love cooking and I love to have a fresh herbs, and I love it. I have a silicone, rosemary, pitasil, and also I have sweet potatoes just for green. For this material, I use natural spray, for example, vinegar spray. I use this to protect and care our environment. After I clean, I put this in the trampoline and let in the sun, and that's all. Meanwhile, Gunta and our seller friend preparing to fix our solar panel.
Now we go in here and then we always push this through
Together.
and then we put this in the back and then we make a safety lash here and then we push this through until about here, and then here we come out, cuckoos, and then we push this through to make a small loop, and then we put this one in.
Oh wow!
And then we go and say bye bye. Durch 10 mm hinter.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make a original homemade Austrian Spätzle. This is the ingredients. All what we need is water, flour, eggs, milk, and some salt. First, mix all the ingredients together and mix it well, like this. It is important to wash your hand well after this. I put 1 tablespoon of salt in the boiling water. Very important too is this, we call this in German or in Austria Spätzle Hobel. My tips to put butter, or optional you can put also olive oil. It is important after you finish, you wash with cold water. That's all my video today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share us and like us, and please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you.